Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, moving 35mm reversal film on the way to different location. We are moving this time, and I just shot snapshot of this model. Well, but I like this, even though this is not nice. Well, it's moving and some out of focus image, but I like the color of this shot, and also I kind of like this feeling of this expression. Her expression's pretty nice, I think. So I decided to make something interesting image from this subject today. I have this shot, and I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges, and also it's moving, so blur image is not quite sharp pencil drawing type image. But well, let's try it, challenge how it's gonna turn out. Okay, let's get started. Alright, I'm gonna change this blend mode. Let's see what kind of color we're gonna get. Overlay. Well, pretty light. We got some magenta. This is a nice color, huh? Monotone. Luminosity, well, that's pretty nice. Well, okay, I'm gonna get this image first, so I'm gonna make group. Now duplicate this group, then flatten this image, and I'm gonna make duplicate, change blend mode to darken color. Wow, that's pretty good. Well, multiply, linear burn, it's same thing, huh? Okay, just merge down. We got this image now. Okay, just want to see if I make blur, Gaussian blur or something to get out of this kind of grainy image. What kind is gonna be? What kind of image is gonna be? Well, let me try. Okay, duplicate layer, then let me see, using this Gaussian blur, about this much, about 6%. Well, maybe that's enough to get out of that grain stuff. So, okay, now I have two images. This blur, Gaussian blur effect on the luminosity effect layer. I'm gonna rename all the layers. Alright, I changed all the names, and I'm gonna move this one out of group, and then delete this group folder. Okay, I'm gonna move this, well, change blend mode, bring back to normal, then move this pencil drawing type, move up, turn it off to keep it, then let's see one of this luminosity effect layer, this stray one. Blur one, I'm looking at this. Let me see. Oh, one more thing. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate this original image, then move this one, go up. This is blur image. Okay, change this. Gets more contrast, huh? Darker color. Yeah, I kind of like this sharp image, even though kind of grainy expression is, but still I kind of like this. Well, let me see. As a base, shadow color as a base, and also I'm not going to use this blur image. Sharper the better, I think. Even though I see that the grains, that's alright. Now I change the luminosity effect layer blend mode, change to pin light to get this effect, this image. Alright, this is the base image now. Then I have this original image here. I'm gonna bring this one back to normal, 100%. Okay, I'm not gonna use this blur image, just leave it here down, and I'm gonna make mask, then invert mask. Now I'm gonna reveal this sketching to Bonobo chalk. And also I'm gonna use evolve. Then I'm gonna add layer for color using evolve to paint some How about this luminosity vector blur image? Yeah, I still like kind of sharp image. No, I don't use this. Delete. Okay, then let's see about this. Just a touch. I may add some colors. This is normal effect. This color layer. Let me see this if I change to color. Oh, we're gonna lose outside plane, huh? This should be the normal. So we're gonna have outside painting. Now I wanna add another layer for color. Change blend mode. Now I only need the coloring information, so I don't need any texture of the brush, so use just medium blend. Now I wanna add some bluer color. Okay, I add some colors on her makeup. Okay, I guess that's it. Well, I'm not using this pencil drawing type image. While we had this original image here, I used the pencil drawing type image, change the blend mode to luminosity to get this effect of this image. Then I add original image with mask. I got this much image with. Then after that, I get color over that outside of the frame, green, blue, and magenta, orange-ish colors. Then I add another color for kind of hard to see. This bluer cast and her makeup. Well, we see some makeup here, some of lip, eyeshadows and stuff. Yeah, touch. Well, I guess that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day, and well, let's be creative. And see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.